He's got a covey right over here, but we're gonna need to put some strategy on him. Well, if you get over to here, we can walk right through this. I think we can get good shooting. Easy. Are you ready? Okay. I think they're right up here in this creek bottom. The rest of them are right here, I bet. Whoa! Whoa! Good shot. Whoa! Good boy, Rust. Fetch him up. He got the male. Rusty, fetch it up. God, he's moving again. I think he's got him. Right here. You ready? I can hear something. I can hear something. Shot. There's more here, Terry.
Yeah, there's underneath here.
Good shot. How many we got down? 3?
Yeah.
Shit. Good shot. Cape 4. There's another one running up here. Fetch it up, Rust. Here. Here. Good boy. Here. Whoa. That was beautiful, buddy. Out. 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 Shot, George. Come here, Rust. Here. Here. Rusty. Fetch that bird. Fetch that bird. Boy, I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, I saw it. Boy, them things are babies. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Out. Here, dead bird. Hell of a shot on that second one.
Dead bird.
Dead bird, Rust. Rusty. Dead bird in here. I think it was right in here. Hey, put this in your pouch. I think I can see it laying right here. I think it might be that covey Hans. I'm expecting him up here by this telephone pole. And dead. Oh, there's my triple. Here, here. Rusty, here. Here. One of them right over here. One of them right there. Good boy. What a good Rusty. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Here. Hey, hey, hey. Thank you. There's another one. Oh, that's a beauty. Hey, hey, hey. Out. Thank you. That's a beauty right there. Nice young male. Nice covey. Beautiful dog work. Well, let's see if we can find this third one. Dead bird, Rust. Dead bird. Good boy. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. You're standing on it, goof. Good boy. Hey, 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 hey. Good. Hey. Hey. What a good boy. How'd that thing fly that far being shot in the head? Very cool. That was unfreaking real. Stay there, Bill. I'll flush them and try to get them out that way. That other one died. Whoa. I'm gonna walk up there. Are you good? Whoa. CJ, whoa. Whoa. Okay. I think they're right here. Okay. Okay, Josh, he's got him up here. You'll probably want to cross. Well, probably want to get over here on this side of them. Okay. And this next draw over. I think they're right here. Just watch Rusty, because he'll go when they flush. Okay. You want to get all the way over on that side, he'll buy him. Okay. I'm going to be hosed here, but That's okay. I'll shoot anything that comes out and goes down canyon. CJ, whoa. Man, I had one shot through the trees and that was it. Did you get one?